In the TSB number 24119, Honda finally describes the complete procedure for the steering gearbox repair under the recall. This covers the 2022-2025 model years of the Civic, and the problem is that the manufacturer made several mistakes when engineering and making the steering gearbox, including a bad worm wheel shape, inadequate grease film between the worm wheel and the worm gear. Also, the worm wheel spring wasn't correctly installed in a number of vehicles, and dealers will repair the EPS unit. This recall doesn't mean the replacement of the EPS system. The dealership will install the new spring and also a new steering gearbox repair kit, as well as correct the amount of grease needed for proper operation, and also use the new O-rings and seals. Fortunately, the repair takes about 2 hours when all parts are available in the dealership. This is not just a TSB but a proper recall, so you may check if your Civic is eligible on the Honda's official website or also on the NHTSA website just by using the VIN of your vehicle. Even if you don't get the mail notification but see the VIN of your car eligible for repairs, any Honda dealership will do the job for free. But I see a lot of parts being on back order now, so the dealer may take some time to take your vehicle in